Hello and welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we have something new. I'm going to do a live reaction to something I haven't touched yet. And I'm talking about this Gaia download, which I found somewhere. And I found it's like, the only thing I know is that it's landscapes and it's free. So we're just going to try it out. I've already downloaded it, but you can just, I clicked the alternate link. This one didn't work for some reason. But it's Gaia. It's pronounced Gaia. It's how the like Latin word is pronounced. That's now I know how my name is pronounced. But yeah, just click this link. I'll leave it in the description if it's good. If it's not, I'll probably still leave it. It's on the Quad Spinner website, just so you know. But let's start. So I've only downloaded the file. I haven't actually set it up yet. So we're doing that together now. Okay, so we're in the program now. And we have some presets, some templates. Okay, mountain. We do have a mountain file. Okay. So let me just figure out the navigation first. I want to rotate. I want to view that. But there's just a mountain node here and then a wizard, which I guess is like the output. No, there's still no rotating. But it doesn't matter. We can still look at it. If someone in the comments knows how to rotate this, it would be pretty nice. But yeah, we have the mountain here, I guess. I really don't know how to rotate. I've tried everything I know that maybe possible. But anyways, we're just going to look at this now. The toolbox. What's a gaber? Oh, that's like a Musgrave texture. Delete is delete. All right. An error. No thanks. Multifractal. I know that node. It just changes. I haven't even put it in yet. Input, mask, no, just input. You can add some erosion. All right, some erosion. That's actually pretty cool. This looks really realistic. If you look at the normal mountains, you'll always see this like, to me it kind of looked like the branches of a snowflake or something, or like a river delta, like all these little lines. So that's the erosion. That's pretty cool. I'll keep that in mind. And this is for free, and the program isn't even that big. It's like, yeah, I don't know, like 100 megabytes or something. Maybe like 50 even. That's some cracks. That's a lot of cracks, okay. All right, let's just delete this one. Clearly, I don't know how to use it. So let's just mix like a canyon with this. Oh, I already have an idea for a render to make. It's telling me to save. It's really angry for me not saving. So maybe add some mountain, like there was a geo primitive. Add a mountain. Yeah, this looks more like it. And we can just add like this as a mask. And then this into the erosion. We combine, yeah. So if we put this in and just add the canyon as well. We have like, yeah, we have a range and a canyon. I didn't actually notice that, but if you click on the nodes, you can preview it. So this is after the erosion and this is before. So combining works. I didn't actually expect that to happen because it's like a different color. I thought that this was for color and this is like mountain data. I don't know. All right. I also think you can add like color to this. Let me find it. I mean, if this isn't high enough, you can always just like import this into Blender and just scale on the Z-axis, I guess, so that it's not like a big deal. Oh, we can add a color, yeah. So we have clutter. Add some vegetation. Yes, please. I have no idea if this works. Purple input. This doesn't work. Alright, I'll figure this out and I'll be right back. Okay, so I figured out how to rotate our biggest enemy. It's Alt and left click. And I feel stupid now. I never tried Alt, but why would it be Alt? It's stupid. Anyways, we can rotate, and this looks like not that big. I want this to be bigger. I just want this to be big. I also deleted like the rocky node. Didn't look good. Anyways, I'll be back once I have something new to show you. Alright, I found something that adds a lot of height, so I'm just going to like play with this. The direction, I've also found out how to add some color. So that's cool. So I've added this mountain, which I kind of like. It's cool for now. I'll definitely give this program a shot. But I've added, after the erosion, I've added a slope node to like get it to like this mask. And then these sat maps. So these are satellite maps I figured out. These colors are all from satellite data. So they mimic like actual mountains and colors of mountains. And this is how you give them color. So that's pretty cool. So this is what I came up with. So I just added a hill and a range and combined them, added a river and some erosion. And then with that, I added a slope to get this kind of mask. And then just added these two satellite maps and combined them into like this color, added some vegetation. And then some color effects. I think this is like to build the color. I'm not sure. I just like looked up the documentation for this. And I hope we can now just click build here. And just get this as a texture. I'll do a 4K texture. Node non-marked for export. Right click a node, mark for export. Okay, so we can just like click this and then mark for export. Okay, so this is like telling the program I want this and I want this as like a it's all image nodes, of course, but like 4K please, and normal build. Yeah, probably I can like start build now. Okay, so because we have the community edition, which is the free one, you can only do 1K, which kind of sucks. Okay, so it's done. And it opened this folder for me. And it's giving me a resolution limit. Why the f does it like build if it's not going to give me the file? That's stupid. Alright, I'll do it again. I'll be there in like a second. And now we can probably go into Blender and use these maps. So let's do that now. All the background landscapes I use are probably already blurry because of my depth of field, so it doesn't really matter. Just drag them in and we can place the normal map here, like bump and height. And we need to change the material settings for this to be displacement and bump. And I always forget what you need to put it into. I think it's the scale, but it's probably the height. And now we can just go to experimental, add a subdivision, simple, adaptive, and go into render view. So now you can change the height, and it changes the height. You can add a sun lamp. And yeah, this resolution is actually pretty bad, but from a distance it looks cool. It looks really great actually, from like here. But if you zoom into about here, it looks just a little bit bad. But you can still make an amazing render with this. So yeah, that's the Gaia program we just checked out. I'll make a complete tutorial once I figure out how to use it. And for now, I guess I'll just see you in the next one. If you want to support me, go over to my Gumroad and buy some of my 3D assets, and I'll greatly appreciate it. If you want to support me further, just leave a comment, that's all you need to do, and subscribe. So bye.